All right, guys, good morning. Welcome to artsealove.com at Casa de Bamboo Studios. So yes, this is my backyard, folks. Lots of bamboo going on here. We've been working on the atmosphere here for the past 2 years, so hopefully y'all enjoy the setting, and let's just get right into it. So this is a 24 by 36 framed, gorgeous, beautiful Stingray over under or split photo that I wanted to share with you guys. So this is just hot I don't know if that's the word. It is haute couture or whatever they call it, but hot off the press. We just finished this one this morning, framing it out. This will be in the show coming up here in a couple weeks. We'll be in Orange Beach, Alabama this coming weekend, and following weekend we'll be there at Mount Dora, Florida. So just really wanted to show you what was happening. I'll probably have this one and one more at the show. Not quite sure how many I'm going to do of this one, but just really wanted to show you the beautiful colors. So if you are looking for something super special for your house, something that's unique or different, please direct message me, comment, like, most of all, share this content with somebody who you think this would look good in their home or beach cottage or lakefront. Yep, people in the lakes, or even as far as the Midwest, tend to like stingrays. So just wanted to get this out there. Hopefully y'all enjoy it, and again, please direct message me for interests, special size ideas you might have in your head, or different options that we can print this onto different substrates, from metals to canvas to acrylics. We have that all happening here. So again, hope you enjoy it, and just zoom right in so you can take one last final look. Yes, that is a boat in the background, and yeah, we hope you enjoy. All right, we'll talk to you later. Peace out.